Hello fellas, it's New Hope here once again. It's been a while, but I'm back now. I'll later explain to you why I've been away for a while. This morning I just noticed something. Actually, I've actually noticed that for a while now, but I just didn't know what was the problem because I did everything that I could possibly do about this, but I realized that there was so much overflow of fuel, and then it drips all onto the floor whenever I park the bike for a while. And even after riding it, sometimes I see that there is so much fuel on the frame. So today it was occurred to me just to take off the fuel inlet, and what I did was I tried to pull out the pin, and then it came off. So it means there was loose contact. I mean, like it was loose all around, so fuel was leaking around it. So in case you realize that you are leaking so much fuel, you might want to try that out. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pour some glue around it and stick it back in. Thanks so much for watching, and if this is your first time, please do well to subscribe. Thank you so much.